That sound is failure. 1 degree. That's all it takes to ruin a $50 cut of meat. For years, we've guessed. But the meat thermometers of 2026 don't guess. They know. I tested the latest smart probes, laser thermometers, and leave-in sensors that connect straight to your phone. One of them didn't just change my cooking, it changed my confidence. And the data it showed me was a secret my grill has been keeping for years. Number 1. Meat Pro Duo. The Meat Pro Duo allows you to effortlessly monitor 2 different meats or cuts at the same time, ensuring that both are cooked to perfection according to your preferred time and temperature settings. This feature is especially beneficial for those who enjoy hosting diverse meals or wish to cook multiple proteins to varying degrees of doneness. For instance, you can grill a steak to medium rare while simultaneously cooking chicken to a well-done finish, ensuring that everyone at the dinner table is satisfied with their meal. The ultra-thin design of the probes, measuring just 5 mm in diameter, helps maintain the integrity of the protein, ensuring it remains juicy and flavorful throughout the cooking process. Direct Wi-Fi connectivity. One of the standout features of the Meat Pro Duo is its built-in Wi-Fi connectivity. This technology extends the range of monitoring over your home network, empowering you to keep an eye on your cooking from virtually anywhere within your Wi-Fi network coverage, eliminating the need for Bluetooth handoff. The setup process via the Meat app is quick and user-friendly, taking just a few minutes to get started. To ensure optimal performance, it's recommended to keep the Meat app up to date with the latest firmware releases. Number 2. 4Probes Wireless Meat Thermometer. This innovative cooking food thermometer is equipped with cutting-edge Bluetooth connection technology, allowing you to monitor your meat from a distance. With the capability for the meat probe, smart base, and phone to be as far apart as 426 feet, you can keep an eye on up to 4 different meats simultaneously using independent probes. This feature makes it ideal for large grills hosting gatherings or for those who enjoy multi-dish cooking without the stress of overcooking. LCD screen and smart app. Experience dual control seamlessly at your fingertips. The thermometer features a clear LED screen that displays each probe's temperature and battery status in real time. You can easily control the settings using intuitive touch buttons located on the device for on-site adjustments. Alternatively, you can utilize the Bluetooth Probe Plus app available on both iOS and Android platforms for remote monitoring. This smart app sends phone alerts when your target temperatures or timers are reached, ensuring you never have to deal with burnt barbecue again. Number 3. ThermoMaven Smart Bluetooth. Unlike other thermometers that require an app to function, the ThermoMaven P4 stands out with its innovative display base, which provides real-time temperature readings right at your fingertips. This feature not only enhances convenience but also allows users to set the desired temperatures directly on the device itself, eliminating the need to rely solely on a smartphone application. However, for those who appreciate modern technology, a smart app is also available, giving users the flexibility to choose their preferred method of monitoring, effectively providing the best of both worlds. One of the remarkable features of the ThermoMaven P4 is its unlimited range via Wi-Fi connectivity. Unlike many wireless thermometers that are limited to Bluetooth connections, which often require your phone to be in close proximity to the base, the ThermoMaven P4 utilizes advanced 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi technology. This allows home cooks to monitor their culinary creations from virtually anywhere in their home or even beyond, ensuring they stay updated on their cooking progress without being tethered to the kitchen. Number 4. Smart Wireless Meat Thermometer. This innovative smart cooking thermometer revolutionizes the way you prepare meals by eliminating any uncertainty with its advanced features such as real-time internal temperature updates, convenient flip reminders, comprehensive rest timers, estimated cooking times for various dishes, and an array of guided cooking recipes. Focusing on maximum accuracy, this device is equipped with 5 sensors that ensure precise cooking measurements from multiple angles. It incorporates 4 internal temperature sensors to accurately monitor the doneness of your food, while an ambient sensor diligently keeps track of your cooking environment's temperature. This dual sensor system guarantees that your proteins are cooked perfectly, both inside and out, making it ideal for achieving mouth-watering results. Number 5. Alpha Griller's Meat Thermometer. Instant Read Food Thermometer. Our Instant Read Thermometer is designed with a precision temperature probe and cutting-edge technology that ensures highly accurate readings in a mere 1 to 2 seconds. This efficiency allows you to avoid overcooking or undercooking your meals, ensuring every dish is cooked to perfection. The thermometer comes complete with comprehensive instructions and a meat temperature chart to guide you on the ideal temperatures for different types of meats. For your convenience, it arrives pre-calibrated, and it includes a recalibrating feature should you need to make adjustments at any time. Multi-use. Our versatile digital food thermometer offers a wide range of applications, making it the perfect tool for both amateur cooks and professional chefs alike. Whether you are using it as a barbecue thermometer for grilling meats, a baking thermometer for pastries, or for monitoring temperatures in deep frying and candy making, its design accommodates various cooking methods. No more dry chicken. No more guessing on pork. It's time to cook with precision. To grab the exact thermometer that won our tests, or compare the top models, all the instant purchase links are organized for you in the video description. If this review saves your next barbecue or holiday meal, please pay it forward, hit the like button, share this with the cook in your life, and subscribe *** for more kitchen tech that actually delivers. Your perfect steak is waiting.